Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study math by Pawan Rao full guide. Start by auditing your syllabus and listing core topics to prioritize, then break topics into bite-sized learning blocks. I will walk you through choosing example problems, scheduling practice, and using a problem log. Stay warm and curious, ask questions aloud, and treat mistakes as clues for what to practice next for steady progress. Adopt active recall and spaced repetition as core habits because they help retention more than passive reading. I explain how to build flashcards, interleave topics, and choose problems that force retrieval. Keep sessions focused and short, then review mistakes in a dedicated log. You will hear examples of question selection and ways to self-test, so you can adopt methods that fit your schedule and improve steadily. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and tiny tutorials. Quick recommendation. I love the Kindle Paperwhite for reading notes and problem sets on the go because it reduces eye strain and fits in a backpack. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if interested. And thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Practice deliberately by creating timed problem sets that mimic exam conditions and build both speed and accuracy. I share methods to categorize errors, focus repeat practice on weak areas, and schedule weekly reviews of key proofs and derivations. Use a rotating review plan so nothing fades, and incorporate mixed problem sessions to connect concepts. This approach balances concept mastery with exam readiness in a manageable routine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.